from FNB Stadium to Rufaro Stadium, chero iko ku the Heart Stadium, mukomana Kama Billiat ari kuti home is best and is reconsidering his decision of retirement national football. Ari kuti iye achazotambira Zimbabwe zvakare. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ndonyaya dzatinoda dzinotifadza moyo. Guys, you do not understand. Home is best. Many people were worried kuti Kama Billiat ari kusiya life yake kuno South Africa. Why? And akaofewa basa kune mama clubs atorinane anobvisa mari iri pamusoro, but he decided, you know what guys, ini ndakuda zvangu kunogara kuZimbabwe ndichitambira yada. So anyora iye akati, this season has been among the best phases of my football career. I have played on grand stages, but nothing beats expressing myself in front of my people. Every time I step on the turf, I am motivated to do my best for my team and the thousands who love the sport. I feel I still have something to give to Zimbabwean football, locally and internationally. I have been reflecting deeply and I'm convinced there is one chapter which remains unfinished between Kama Billiat and the Zimbabwe national football team. I have reconsidered my decision to retire and would love to represent my country one more time. I will continue to work hard on the field and hopefully help the nation in a positive way. I love my country and I stand ready to serve if afforded a chance. In God with trust, yours truly, Kama Billiat. Wow guys, so izvi zvatanga takamirira. Yes, it is very true. There is unfinished business between Kama Billiat neZimbabwe national football team ka mukomana akamborega kutamba nenyaya dzakanga dzamboitika kunational team ikoko ndokubva ati aiwa, heads down, or actually I'm hanging my boots pa national football international, better nditambe zvangu muma clubs. But ari kuti bodo guys, yeah, he still feels he needs to give back to the community that raised them, which is a good thing. Netizens akawanda, especially masoka fans vanofarira Billiat from South Africa as well as Zimbabwe, they are all in support. Pane vanyorawo vakati, a legend never dies. We will sing songs about you, rewatch your highlight reels, and tell our kids of your great exploits in the football world. But that's a story of another day. For now, give us the best show of our lives in the Zimbabwean League. We are behind you. Fire away, Kama Billiat. We need a proper makeup. Give us the remaining ammo, whatever you have left in those boots. Aiwa tipe zvese zviripo. Thank you Kama, we love you. We supported you all your career, and even today tino mira newe mabattles ese with those who doubted your loyalty to Chiefs and even to Sundowns. We love you brother. Some of your important goals for our nation made me and many fans cry with joy, but overstaying in anything wipes out respect. However, I wish you well. I hope I will be proven wrong that Mupande Chirewa is now the future lead man for the Warriors and it will frustrate you back into retirement. All the best though. We love you still despite this wrong decision in my view. Hala Warrior. So munyori ari kuti haasi kuda kuti Kama adzokere because kuna Chirewa vari kwavo ndo vanozomukanganisa pakulita. But anyway guys, this is not a competition. If you understand kuti as a team we work together, yes he is going to be the lead man, iwe unogona kakungo creator opportunity uchingomanya uchishandisa international expertise. Maybe ava vasati vapinda pama international arena guys, ndakuradza FNB Stadium yamunongoziva mese makaona mamechi akawanda akatambwa naKama Billiat. Sometimes all you need is exposure. It's not about competition. So whatever you are saying kuti achadzokera into retirement because he's been frustrated by other players, no guys, we are not competing. As a country, we are standing together and moving forward. Thank you, Kama. You are our own. The government and Zifa's shortfalls shouldn't be rested upon your shoulders. How can people defend Messi and CR7 for Portugal, yet they fight you? You are still helpful to us. Your talent and experience can still help us in a way. Your presence doesn't affect youth development from grassroots and from the local league. Bring it on, Mukomana Takakumira. Vedweka, many netizens or many football zens. What do you call those ones? Yes, Masoka fan Kaisu Stilbano. We've been patiently waiting for this consideration, and the country loves and appreciates you. And every time Pataiwana Munachitamba ku South Africa, Chikava, Chidi, very wait and go to Komanoka Sad. Achadzoka rini kuzokavira nyika yake. Guys, zvinorwadza kuti mostly, I do not know, maybe it is our economic problems, but you find kuti mostly the guys when they are at their prime time, vanhu vavaenda vonotambira maclub mahombe, kuna naCyprus, kuna naaniko kwavanonotambira ikoko, simba ravo ronopera vari kuya vozodzoka vapera. Guys, hatiri kudaro, but at least we are happy with Kama anga asatapera mukomana abva adzoka. It has always been my will, Kama. Thank you for considering our call. We liked your impact and great performance since that AFCON when you retired. I'm convinced that you are still in good shape and that you can deliver wonders. Messi did the same. To come out of retirement today, we cherish him. Keep motivated. Don't be ever discouraged. You have done amazing for our national team. I personally appreciate you, my legend Billiard. So guys, kune vaya vanomirira kuti kwanzi mukomana azoita accident, mukomana azoita chino Vedweka ndokumbira kuti post inoi ngatisei maflowers emunhu nguva yake iripo. Guys is such a great player. You know, you for those who really know football and they've watched mukomana achitamba, you actually know what we are talking about. Give him his flowers whilst we still can. Thank you, brother. We missed some great moments in our national team. Come back and finish your unfinished business. On behalf of many football lovers here, home and around the world, we are grateful. Taneta nekuramba tisapota Man U. Kwatina kuzotaura zvega Man U ndinoisapota, jezi ndinaro, asi kuramba yongodyiwa pamwe pacho unomboshaya kuti kochi. But anyway, sekubuda kwakamboita Liverpool ichidzoka zvakare pakuva Liverpool mazuva akapera ayo, ndo zvimwe izvo zvichaita Man U. Ndichine faith, asi chikuru ndechekuti paAFCON iri kuuya Kama Billiard, we rally behind.